Hello friends, in this video I am gonna show you the different way of applying chrome powder with my chrome hack and discuss about the problems which a beginner face with solution. And if you do any chrome mistake, then how will you fix that problem? We are going to see the answers of all these questions with detail. So don't skip the video. Let's start with the basic nail preparations. I buffed these nails with soft buffer. Don't forget to buff the side edges. These all are done and let's move to the next step. The base coat application. If you are a beginner and don't know that why we apply base coat before nail paints, then here is the answer. The base coats are basically a sticky nail gel and it has a strong grip to hold the upper layers of gel with it. You can also see its stickiness after cure it for 60 seconds. We have to wipe off the sticky surface of base coat with acetone. And you have to apply a thin layer of base coat after buffing the nails. Don't use hard buffers, make sure you don't buff your nails too much. When I was a beginner, I almost buffed my nail bed so much and they lose their strength and I did not know the solution of bring back my healthy nails. I'm talking about the real nails, not these press-ons. After the base coat application, now I am applying the top coat directly on the nail without removing the stickiness of the base coat with acetone. You can see that it's not gliding smoothly because we did not remove the sticky layer of base coat. This is a small mistake but it can ruin your upper layer of gel. A beginner can do these mistakes and of course I did this too when I first time used UV gels. After this I am holding the nail upside down for a few seconds to make it self-level and to smoothen out the harsh lines. And do this step for all. I cured these for 70 seconds and they are ready to apply chrome powder. I am taking golden chrome just for show the details better. Taking just a little bit cause I don't wanna waste so much product. This is the way of thinking of a beginner. I am doing exactly what I did as a beginner in my that time of nail journey. You can see that the top coat is not accepting the chrome I am trying to apply but it's not working. Do you know what is the reason behind? So the reason is that I cured the gels for a long time, as I told you that I cured these for 70 seconds, which is more than the time when the top coat fully cured. I have to take the product for many times and my product is also wasting in this one nail and I haven't done all the nails yet. Let's speed up the process. I am showing you that how much time it takes when we do small mistake in the previous steps. It's done, but I am not satisfied with this application because it's not perfect at all. The second method is use of shaping tools as chrome applicator. You can choose any shaping tool, well I chose this one. Let's apply and see does it work. No, it's not working. Wait, it's working but it's looking like it's hard to apply with this tool. I'm trying every angle and pressure to get the application fast and best. Third way is to use finger. Many beginners who are new in this area use finger first to apply the chrome. I saw many videos where they take it and apply directly with the bare hands. It works well, but we have to take more product on our finger, and if the skin is not dry, then the chrome do not show that much shine. You can see the difference between shaping tool application and finger application. For third one, I'm using sponge applicator again. It's not gliding smooth. You can compare all three ways: sponge application, shaping tool application, and finger application. If you don't want to waste much product and want perfect look, then here I'm going to tell you a best chrome hack which is not suggested by any professional, and I think nobody got this yet. So the hack is that you have to move the sponge applicator like this. I did not take any product, but the chrome is working yet because we all know that sponge absorbs when we apply something with these. It absorbed chrome or collected the chrome powder inside it, and I'm trying to get that product outside. You have to move it like forward first with less pressure and then backward with the more pressure. Let's see the results. You can see we've got the perfect chrome application with less product. On the right nail, we did the normal way of applying with the same sponge, and on the left, we used our chrome hack. Let's check how much product is inside this sponge applicator. Here I am not taking any product but using my hack just to show you that does it really work or not. And it's working yet. This hack will work only if you move the applicator like this. Let's compare both the nails on which we use the hack. Both have same chrome effect, which is a good thing. Now I took the first nail and apply this hack because this nail is a bit translucent. See, this is better now. You can clearly see the difference between these. I did not apply the hack on these two nails yet. Let's do these nails too. Now I'm applying the final layer, which is top coat, to seal the chrome layer. Hold these upside down for a few seconds. Cure these for 60 seconds and our nails are done. Nobody can tell that I used different ways on these nails and did last 3 nails without taking any chrome from the container. I hope this video will be very informative for beginners who face these problems but could not find the solution. Thanks for watching. Bye.